We had a first happen to us. Stay tuned and we'll share with you what it was. This morning we had one of these knobs come off and Kelly couldn't get it to screw back on. They screw on and off. As you can see, they are threaded. And once I took the knob off and turned the light on, what we discovered is that there is this little, Kelly, you're gonna have to do that. Pull that off gently so you don't rip it or anything. It's an O-ring, and she puts her hands right in the way.
Well,
she's not very well trained at filmography-ishness.
Winchesterton Field, Phil?
And why, how, and why, and all that stuff. Well, here's the how we figured it out. We took the knob off of one of the other cabinets. Where is it? Here we go. You can see the little O-ring is here, and there's no O-ring on the one that was goofing up. So we're going to put the O-ring back on that one.
At least attempt to. I can't see very well, but I'm assuming
She
it
needs
goes.
her reading glasses, maybe. Oh, looky there. She got it on.
No, I didn't. It's almost like a rubber band. Well, it'll be gone into oblivion if I.
Oh, but you have fingernails.
Yeah, but
That helps. Of course, I have fingernails right now. I need to trim them.
So
there we go.
See.
So now it's on.
Let's see.
Hang on. Let's show the side angle there. Okay. And now she's gonna screw it back on.
There, voila.
And voila, that took care of it. And what I was gonna do was wrap the threads with something.
We'll put
Crazy
this one
me.
back over here where it came from. You can't tighten them too tight, otherwise you lock them and they won't unlock.
This is very true.
Oh, that one's.
All right.
Ta-da! Crisis averted. There you go.
Hey, that's it for today. Hope you got something out of this. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye-bye.